How to invest your first $1,000 in 2023. There are many low-cost investment options that can help you maximize your lump sum and help it grow. The specific investment you choose will depend on your time horizon goals and risk tolerance. That said, the following ideas are great starting points if you're wondering where to invest $1,000. Before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. 1. Deal with debt. The least glamorous but necessary answer to how should I invest $1,000 should almost always be to handle any debt you're carrying. While dealing with debt may not be the most glamorous $1,000 investment, it's something that will move you closer to financial security and freedom. Your debt may be far more than what $1,000 can cover, but chipping away at it little by little should be the top priority if you want to build long-term wealth. 2. Invest in low-cost ETFs. If it's your first time investing, you may want to invest $1,000 in an exchange-traded fund, ETF. A beginner-friendly alternative to traditional mutual funds, ETFs contain a mix of stocks, bonds, and other securities, giving you access to a broad range of asset classes within a single fund. ETFs offer an inexpensive way to instantly diversify your portfolio across a variety of investments, and many come with low or no investment fees, making them an affordable pick. 3. Invest in stocks with fractional shares. Instead of investing $1,000 in stocks that you pick individually, consider fractional shares instead. Fractional shares let you purchase a small piece of a whole stock that might otherwise be out of your budget. For example, if you're eyeing a stock that costs $2,000, you could purchase a fractional share of that stock for, say, $100. Not only do fractional shares make investing in big-name company stocks like Apple, Amazon, or Microsoft more accessible, but they also allow you to spread your investment dollars across a wider variety of securities, creating more opportunities to diversify your portfolio, even if you're starting small. 4. Contribute to a 401. If you haven't opened a retirement account and your employer offers one, you could be missing out on a serious wealth-building opportunity. An employer-sponsored retirement account, like a 401, may be one of the best $1,000 investments you could make. A 401 is a tax-advantaged retirement plan that an employer offers to its employees, often along with an employer match program. 5. Contribute to a Roth IRA. A Roth IRA is another type of retirement account to consider. People often opt for an IRA for a few reasons, like when their employer doesn't offer matching contributions for a 401. They've already maxed out the 401 contribution limit, or if their employer doesn't offer a 401. Unlike a 401, IRAs are not employer-sponsored. While that means there's no company match to take advantage of, the upside is Roth IRAs let you invest with post-tax dollars, or the money you've already paid income tax on. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.